Did I stop it again? Yeah, I did. Why did I do that? Reed's Ferry Lumber. Reed's Ferry Sheds. Okay. Yeah, so 3A's snow coated. Yeah, I'm not seeing, like, unless this thing starts ramping up, I'm just not seeing the snow totals that they were meteorologists were calculating. They were saying like 12 inches of snow up this way. Kind of not seeing that right now. Okay, still got a good signal here. I think because we're just sandwiched in between Route 3 here. Who's messaging me again? De-ice the wipers again. All right, we got 2 whole people in our stream right now.